Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Velar in Indus Silver. This is a D180 and is next due for a service in August 21 and has previously had only one owner. As you can see, you have a privacy glass, a black contrasting roof and 20-inch gloss black alloys, a powered tailgate, plenty of space there in the back for your personal items, but you can also put the seats down if you need more room. And you can close the boot using the button there, or the one on your key again, which is great if you have your hands full. Carrying on round the car, you do also have keyless entry, so if I lock the car, I can press this button and it will open or lock both ways as long as the key is near me. Are dynamic tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great on a nice sunny day, or a sun blind if you wish to pull that over, depending on your preference. Various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. Eco, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand or dynamic. Heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. Touchscreen with different functions, including eco data, which tells you how well the car has been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valeter can only access your climate control, keeping personal things secure. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier, especially in a bigger car. Along with sat nav, which is great if you're ever in an area you're not familiar with, and Bluetooth to connect your phone. Speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. Memory seats, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 28,342 miles, and stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.